Hello to my future employer. My name is Mary Jane Canoy, 44 years old, from Davao del Norte, Philippines. I am a single mother of a 15 years old boy. My educational attainments: I am a fourth year college level undergraduate, took up Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education. I am a certified caregiver. I have a training certificate for CPR, basic life support, and first aid. And also, I know how to swim. My recent work experience was in Malaysia for 2 years, finished contract from 2023 to 2025 for a Chinese American family of 4, the parents and the 2 daughters, an infant and the 3 years old. My duties and responsibilities: taking care of the kids, feeding, cooking their meals, play with them, reading a book, and sometimes while taking a nap, I'll do the cleaning, the laundry, and the ironing. My second work experience was here in the Philippines for 2 years and 3 months for a family of 4, the parents, the grandfather, and the 3 years old son. My duties and responsibilities were taking care of the kids, feeding him, play with him, bathing, and sometimes I'll bring him to the park to play with other kids. To my future employer, I hope you consider on hiring me because I am trustworthy, loving, caring, and most especially, my top priority is the safety of your children. Thank you and God bless.